If you have not used ChatGPT before and are complete beginners, in this video I'll go through how to get started and give you some example prompts, as they're known, or can be questions to generate different information, suggestions, recommendations. It's such an incredible tool. I'm still kind of in the beginner phase, heading towards making it useful in my day-to-day and using it in my workflow, at work, in life, in my charity work as well. So let's dive in. And I'm going to actually ask ChatGPT to give me a definition of ChatGPT. Okay, so what you want to do is go to chat.openai.com or just Google ChatGPT and it'll come up. So you'll need to sign up if you don't have an account already. So you can either put in your email address or go in with some of the different services. So I've already got an account, so what I'll do is I'll just go into login and I'm using my Google. Brilliant. So this is the interface. So it should load up your chats. There we go, on the left. So these are all the ones that I've done in the past. So that's your left menu. And then over here is where you can start chatting. So it's a very super simple interface, I would say. Nothing overly complicated. And I'm using the free version at the moment. So I haven't upgraded. I think I will try out the advanced version, and you can do quite a bit more with that. So let's start off with asking ChatGPT to give a definition of itself. So give me a definition, let's say a basic definition of what ChatGPT is for non-technical people. Okay. So we've got short. ChatGPT is a type of computer program powered by artificial intelligence that can have conversations with people just like you're talking to a knowledgeable friend. It uses a lot of information it has learned from many conversations and text to understand what you're saying and respond in a helpful and natural way. It's designed to assist, provide information, or just have a friendly chat. I've never really had a friendly chat. I've just always gone for a specific purpose. So let's ask it another thing. What are the top 10 uses for chat? Or let's rephrase that. What are the top 10 most popular uses of ChatGPT? And what it does is it does consider your previous question as well, and adapts and also considers it in the next action. Okay, so that's one thing to bear in mind. So over here it says, as of my last knowledge update, so the free version has data that's not up to date, so that's a bit of a limitation. So let's have a look. So ChatGPT top 10 most popular uses: customer support. Most companies use ChatGPT to handle customer queries, provide assistance. I did not know this, and I'm not sure how this actually works. Language translation. Again, I've not used that before, but that's pretty cool. Content creation. I have used it for this. So when using it, creating ideas, writing scripts, I use ChatGPT to help me assist with that. Education and tutoring. Yeah, I've used it a few times to learn a few things and asked it different questions to give me some answers. Personal assistant, setting reminder schedules. That might be quite a cool one. Weather updates. Therapeutic conversations. This is quite interesting. Programming assistance. Yeah, I've heard of this. I've heard this is quite a popular way for a lot of developers and companies. It is helping quite a bit. Creative writing assistance. Yep. E-commerce recommendations. Entertaining and gaming. ChatGPT powers interactive storytelling experiences, game dialogue, and other entertainment options. I don't have a clue actually. How would that work in practice? So I'll go through a few examples that I use it for. So we can do a brand new chat, and I'll go through a live, although this is a recorded video, but you know what I mean. I'll go through an example with you now. So let's say I want to create a new YouTube video. So my channel is about digital skills, productivity using digital skills, and some social impact. So if I was kind of stuck for ideas, then I could ask it to give me some digital skills ideas. So give me ideas around basic digital skills that are important for the workplace or YouTube video. You'll notice how quickly it will generate the ideas. So it's just given me a list, and what you need to do is dive deeper. So using ChatGPT it's only as good as the prompts that you write. So these questions. So obviously this is just bullet pointed. It's not enough information for me to go and create a new YouTube video. And so we can grab one of these, let's say collaboration tools. So that's actually, yeah, that's a cool one that I like. So I can put what, and I've not done a video on Slack yet, so I can do that. Give me an overview of the main features of Slack as an effective collaboration tool. Beginners, and give me a YouTube script. Give me an engaging YouTube script and thumbnail. There you go. And it's even given me kind of the timing breakdowns for it. What I usually do is I don't take it word for word. That's I usually use it to help me structure my videos. So, and some of the words I will use and probably pad out, but at the most I think it'd be about 30-40% that I use. But you can see how amazing it is in generating that idea, getting you off the ground with creating your idea, whatever it is. This is a YouTube video example, and I'll show you one that I've just been doing this morning. So I was talking about the Goldilocks rule. So I wrote most of this, and then I went into ChatGPT to give me some more information. And so half of this I did write, and then I tweaked it, and I brought in some different sources as well. So I'm talking about the Goldilocks rule, how to stay motivated. James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, talks about this. So I went onto his blog to get some references and some quotes, and then merged it with my own context, and I talked about examples in my life and applications of the Goldilocks rule, and built in some of the kind of theory, let's say, to pad out from ChatGPT. If I was doing this from scratch, this would have taken me a lot longer. I'm talking like 10 times longer. So this is one of thousands and thousands of ways that you can use ChatGPT to supercharge your work. And I see it as a super assistant helping you do research and gather information, but it's still you being creative in yourself. So that's a quick run through. That's just one example, as mentioned, of using ChatGPT. I'll do some future videos and go a bit deeper into how you can use ChatGPT and other examples. There's dozens of other ways that I use ChatGPT, but this is just a beginner video to get you started. So just give it a go, guys. Go in and have a test yourself, trial and error, put in some different prompts to create a thread to get to the solution that you're looking for. Have a think about what your role is, your day-to-day activities. What are the routine things that ChatGPT could do the heavy lifting for or improve? Just do things quicker and help with the creative process, creative elements of your job. So I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. Add some comments, let me know what you think of the video. If you're going off and testing it, come back, let me know, share with others. And I'll see you in the next video.